What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is The Average Joe, and you already know I love cheap crypto with great utility that can make us a lot of money. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you. Also, hit that notification bell so you know the next time I drop another video. Also, like this video so other people can get cheap crypto, okay? All right, don't keep this information to yourself. Keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. My only job here is just to bring you the most latest and up-to-date information so that you can make a good choice as to what you want to do in this crypto space, okay? So, I want to talk to you today about the CBOE, the Chicago Board Options Exchange, okay? One of the largest exchanges for options in the United States. And I want to talk to you about why in the Daily Hodl, they said that basically the crypto bulls should be excited about this right here, okay? There are some things that is going on. There are some options contracts that are going to end, some futures contracts that are going to end on June 25th, so in about a couple of weeks, and how this ties into the market and what's going on, right? So let's get started right quick, right? Okay, this came out in the Daily Hodl. Bitcoin bulls should mark this date on their calendar, says analyst Justin Bennett. Crypto traders and analyst Justin Bennett is telling Bitcoin bulls to keep an eye on this specific date as the flagship cryptocurrency struggles to maintain upward momentum. In a new strategy session, Bennett says that monthly futures expiration dates have played a big part in Bitcoin's price action, often correlating in local tops and local bottoms. Let's keep going. The closely followed analyst posits that if Bitcoin's price is following monthly futures expirations, then it may also correlate with quarterly expirations. He notes that on June 25th, quarter two futures are set to expire for BTC, potentially marking the bottom for the world's flagship digital asset and the broader crypto markets. My theory is that if Bitcoin has followed monthly futures expirations, then it stands to reason it could also be following quarterly futures expirations. And if that's the case, we saw the top shortly after April started. And if this is the case, if this theory holds up, then we could see cryptocurrencies bottom out around June 25th. That's when quarter two futures expire. So June 25th is going to be the date to keep an eye on your calendar. And I'm going to go ahead and say that anywhere between June 20th and June 25th is going to be the range to keep an eye on. All right. So they're looking for June 25th to be the date that we're going to look for the bottom of crypto. So you may want to hold out until around that time to maybe repurchase. We may have some more market fluctuations, okay? Because we know that cryptocurrency is very volatile. Okay, let's keep on going. Some other things I want to talk to you about. Let's talk about the CBOE and who are they, okay? So like I said, the CBOE is Chicago Board Options Exchange, located in 400 South LaSalle Street in Chicago, right? Is the largest U.S. options exchange with annual trading volume that hovered around 1.27 billion contracts at the end of 2014. CBOE offers options on over 2,200 companies, 22 stock indices, and 140 exchange traded funds. Okay, let's dig a little bit deeper, right? All right, and what else do they tout? It says CBOE, defining markets to benefit all participants. We are unique among global exchange operators in our ability to drive the global market forward through product innovation, leading edge technology, and seamless trading solutions. Okay, let's keep going. All right, so their job is to basically be the spear of the market, right? And basically, what happened as the first Bitcoin futures expires, price and volume concern. The first Bitcoin CBOE contracts expires Wednesday. Concerns are raised that Bitcoin futures being settled in cash could lead to price manipulation by aggressive end-of-day buyers. Volume and open interest have been fairly small in the CBOE CME contracts. It's a big day for Bitcoin. The CBOE began trading their first Bitcoin futures on December 10th and the first contract expires on Wednesday, and the initial CME contract expires on January 26th. Okay, let's bring it to a head. How did it work out for the CBOE? Okay, first Bitcoin futures contracts expires at 10,900. It was a win for the bears. CBO's first Bitcoin futures contract expired at $10,900 after a turbulent week in the crypto markets. The Chicago Board Options Exchange, CBOE's first Bitcoin futures contract closed Wednesday, January 17th, this is in 2018, at 10,900. After a relatively turbulent week in the crypto market had briefly brought Bitcoin's price to below 10,000. By January 9th, there were 1,900 short position contracts for Bitcoin futures on CBOE. When the futures closed on January 16th, BTC had gone down about 36%. Okay, so it looks like they're trying to suppress the price of Bitcoin once again. They wash, rinse, and repeat. So what you're probably going to see after these contracts expire on January 25th, they're going to pick up new contracts. So in the beginning of the third quarter, probably in the second month or so, I'm not sure, you're going to see BTC, Bitcoin rise again, and of course all altcoins are going to go where Bitcoin goes. So that's part of what's going on, guys. Keep in mind, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. You know, I just like to do research. I am in this space with you guys, and I don't want to see anyone get hurt. But I do know, and I feel like that this is a wealth transfer. This is a opportunity to be in on the cutting edge of innovation and make a lot of money. Okay, so that's basically what's going on. I love you guys. Until the next video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop a comment. I love to mix it up and chop it up with you guys, okay? Don't drop your crypto because somebody will pick it up, all right? So until next time, peace.